Good morning. I am Goutham Charan of class 8 standard. Here I am going to explain a project in Python to find average of multiple numbers. Let's start by creating a variable called number. So number is equal to int input, enter how many numbers you want. In the next line, we have to create another variable named total sum. Then the total sum is equal to 0. Next line we have to write as for I in range number inside the bracket. So number is a variable. Inside the for loop, we have to write a is equal to int include enter the number. In the next line, we have to use the total number. We have to use the total sum variable plus a. Next line, we have to create a variable called average. Average is equal to total sum divided by number variable. Next, we have to print as average of the given numbers is comma average. Let's see the output to see how it works. I am entering 5. It will ask us to enter the number 5 times as we entered 5. We have to enter the numbers which is being asked with. First, we will enter 3. Second, we will enter 6. Third, we will enter 2. Fourth one 9. And the last one 4. We can see the average is 4.8. Thank you.